Hello everybody, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Today I'm here to tell you something that really happened to me recently. My Nigeria people, I beg una. I come here and I can tell una what really happened to me, so that next time I don't want anybody fall victim. If you want go Nigeria embassy, go do una passport. Me na beg, me na not trust all those people. Maybe they say they will talk say na so they work for embassy, or na so they know person when they work for embassy. Na so they know everything about embassy. Na so they know that one. So me na give me money, I go help una book appointments. Me na no worry, me na give me money. They go charge you na big money. Money when be say embassy no go able charge you na, so they go charge you na the money. All the name say they want help una. They want help una. Help what? Waiting. So they will still men and give the so money. Una now una go to give them the money. Una go just give them the money. Hopefully say una go there that day every make una beg go here not fall victim, because me and the talks I just fall victim. I just believe so. Person just tell me something I just believe. They just tell me something I just believe. They say pay me so money. No worry, if you go embassy, this. I go embassy, I go shop my eye for that side. I go shop my eye for that side. And then when they tell them say they charge me another money for embassy. Me they tell them say oh God, but me don't already pay so money. They say which money? Who you pay the money to? Now me? I said no, now one guy. Which guy? Which guy? I can say now he said which guy? Nobody they work for you. That kind of person they tell you, they work. Now we when they work for you, now we be this one. So you not be where you give money. So if you don't want to pay the money, go back, come back if you don't get the money. That's now be waiting they do us. Me and my husband with little baby. Now be waiting they do us recently. So now they do us for Nigeria embassy. No, I not give this photo Nigeria embassy. Wait, person why they give photo now those people when they say that they claim say they now so they know everything about the embassy. Like say they work for the embassy. That's so they know everything. They say me you give them the money, say they go help you. If you they hear everything me they talk now, me I not trust anybody like that. Me I not trust them. So if you now want book appointment to renew na passport or book appointment to do your passport for the first time, which any country will be say you day, any European country will na know so na day, me na beg, me na call the embassy of that country. Men are call the direct number of that embassy. Call the normally sometimes maybe they not will pick. Maybe they not will pick. So but men are continue to the call until they pick. Maybe they use their maths. They give an appointment. Maybe they use their maths. They give them the appointment so that we are 100% sure. So we get appointment. If you not reach embassy on the appointment day, any money where they say men are pay. If na 200 euro for the passport, if na 100 euro for the passport, if na 250, if na 150 for the passport, una go pay the money directly to them. So now they short una pay the money directly to the Nigerian embassy. My brothers and sisters, I don't feel like una. I did disappointed of we Nigeria. I did disappointed of we Nigeria. All of us we go they complain Nigeria not good, Nigeria not good, Nigeria not good. But now we the Nigeria, now we they spoil the Nigeria with our own hand. Now we destroy the Nigeria. We go to insult our president. Say our president no they do that. We, the citizens, we was past our leader. We was past our own president because we within ourselves, we are wicked within ourselves. We are wicked. As we are wicked. We are wicked. We dey wicked to ourselves. The thing just vex me. You don't feel do anything with Nigeria people. You don't feel trust them. You don't feel say me you do business. That one, the business we say no say sabi do. Instead of say they work for embassy. Now so you did that one. Now so the person they work for embassy. Now so sabi the business. Now so you do that one. But they don't know anything. But they want shop your money. How you go? Say maybe you go shop another person money. You go free. Even though say that person not do you anything. But one day, something go happen to you and say you go pay that person back. One day. Eh? As we know sabi business, we are told we sabi business. Now so we do that one. But how the country want to go forward if we they do all those things to our fellow people? How the country want to go forward? The thing it vex me. I don't feel loud now. I just wake up this morning. I say I'll do this video. even though say I put lead, but without lead I not dey fine. So I want find small, even though say I dey vex, because if I dey vex I not dey fine. So now that's I just put lead so that I for see look presentable. So men are listening, oh, men are here. So men are share this video with people when you say una know say you need to hear this thing when we say I dey talk. So men are share the video, make them for see hear am. So that tomorrow men are not fall victim, or una brother or una sister or anybody when I know, make them not fall victim of all those things. So men are beg, men are not trying, man. Men are not trying, because all those people when be say they sabi. Now so now so one day I want go Nigeria. I call the 5 person when be say go help me push the load for container go Nigeria. Now so person tell me say grown up person, no, he tell me say my sister, no, they call me my pikin, no worry at all, no just worry at all. Give me your load, I go help you push up before you reach Nigeria. The load go never reach Nigeria. I say really? He say yes, trust me now. Me now they trust this one. I don't make me listen. I no go trust anybody again. I no go, especially with Nigeria, I no go trust anybody again. Nobody trust me. Lord, maybe say normal person go carry before for 80 euros. This woman charge me 250 euros. Because I need the load made fast. I load, I put gifts, I put many things for inside the load. Say if I reach Nigeria, that's why I go share out to people when say they come greet me. Instead of me to they give money to visit when they visit me, I go they give them all those things. Maybe say I put for inside those food stuff, all those things maybe say I put for inside. I go they give them, at least it go them more, they go appreciate and pass all those money we say you they give person. I reach Nigeria 1 month later, load never even come. I come back to Italy 6 months later, and I load take reach Nigeria. Load reach Nigeria, and everything when they say load is poor. What I can't pay the money for? Wait, as the way to know so una not go fit do. Why not go they put on hand? Why not go they put on? Me, I know they do anything. No, all those people now will do me those things. Now I want kill them. I want kill them. Another one just see happen to me recently now. Person maybe say I call my own friend. He say they go Nigeria. I pack load. I pack clothes. I pack many things. I give her the bag. Say they go give my people for house. What did the person do? If I promise say the load will reach out for December, load not reach out for December. Load now it can't reach out for ending of January. That be fame boy. I don't even remember again. Load reach us now. Things not there inside load. Inside of 2 bags, one give her. Now only 1 bag now you see give me. And inside the 1 bag that is not still complete for inside. The other bag now till today that bag is missing. Where my bag? You say not see bag. You don't get what you go fit do. As you not see me finish. Now see finish because say I cool. No, this one will happen. So me not go cool again. So anybody will be saying know me, they see this video. If I want to do business with me, una will take am 2 times. So me now beg. If I want to do business with anybody, me now make sure say that person is they okay. The thing just invest me anyhow. As I not just know what I want to do again. The thing they vex me. So me now beg, me now listen to what I talk, me now take as lesson. Men are taken as less, men are not fall victim again for all those things. I know so many people don't fall this victim when they say me they fall put so. But people know they talk and come out. Me other people they hear them. People know they hear them. I will say me hear them. I foresee learn. I don't go do this thing when we say I do. So I foresee learn. Person don't pack money, give you finish. Reach embassy now, go to the ask for another money. All the money when we say I pay, give this boy now. Me no say to book passport. To book passport now $106 to book passport. We be telling me, my baby and my husband, we be telling $106, $106. If you never reach 100 euros, but I pay this person 730 euros. And this embassy say I pay us extra 250 euros again. Then they throw away the money. I be at the work for First Bank of Nigeria. It not make sense now. So make una beg. Make una not for those victims again. I beg. Make una not for those people when we say they go the one they shop for where they for not for reap. They go the one they shop for where they not so put. You know, they want use my money to go build us, or they want use my money to go do another thing. That money go out for una throat. That money, all of una when we say una don't shop my money. Una claim so that they do business, una don't shop my money. That money, una don't have to do better thing. Even though una don't have to do better thing, but for front, my God go judge all of una. Una people, may una thank you. Una thank you as una take watch this video. So may I not forget to share with everybody when you say they need to hear this my video. May na share and beg. Thank you. God bless you all.